Can you withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see if you are able to withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon. This app is completely a simulation, so you just have to tap on the app to earn in-game money. This is not real money and you won't be able to withdraw it in real life. So you can just tap on the game and you can level up your game and start earning more. You have in-game assets and other stuff that you can buy inside the game, but there is no option to withdraw it. So if you tap on this option right here, you can just tap on it, unlock different currencies and cryptos, and just keep upgrading in the game. But there is no real option to go ahead and withdraw it in real life. So if you have unlocked all of these other options here, you could just go ahead and level up your game, keep tapping, and then that's it. This is purely for entertainment purposes and you cannot withdraw it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you guys on the next one.